Hi viewers, welcome to Gunji Ashok Java interview coaches. Today we will discuss about exceptional handling in Spring Boot. Okay, today we will discuss about exceptional handling in Spring Boot. For handling exceptional handling in Spring Boot, mostly we will use these three annotations: at the rate of exceptional handler annotation, and at the rate of controller advice annotation, and at the rate of rest controller advice annotation. Okay, by using these three annotations, we can handle the exceptions in Spring Boot. Coming to at the rate of exceptional handler annotation, for handling exception at a specific class level, we can use at the rate of exception handler annotation. It is method level annotation. Okay, it will handle specific to class level, one class level. Okay, if it is in that class level only, it will handle. Okay, at the rate of controller advice annotation. For handling exception at a global level for web application purpose, we can use at the rate of controller advice annotation. For handling exception at global level and for web application purpose, we can use at the rate of controller advice annotation. It is class level annotation. Okay. At the rate of rest controller advice annotation. For handling exception at global level for distributed application purpose, we can use at the rate of rest controller advice annotation. It is also class level annotation. Okay, by using these three annotations, we can handle the exception. For handling the global level purpose, we can use at the rate of controller advice annotation, at the rate of rest controller advice annotation. For distribution application purpose, we can use at the rate of rest controller advice annotation. We will look into the code. Exception project name exceptional handler SB Maven jar language Java 8 version I am taking. Package com.app I am taking. Next version Spring 2.7.15. Lombok not required for this example. Spring Boot, Spring Web, Spring Boot DevTools I am taking. I am clicking on next, finish. Okay, extend. Okay, I am taking com.app. I am taking on class package name com.app controller. Welcome controller. Com.app controller welcome controller. I am clicking on finish button. I am taking at the rate of rest controller. Rest controller annotation. Public string welcome open brace and close brace. String s1 is equal welcome to Gunji Ashok. Return s1 semicolon. I am taking get mapping. Slash welcome. I am taking either rest control generation. I am running this one. Run as Spring Boot application. What is the URL? Welcome. Default port number is 8080. I am checking here. http://8080/welcome. Welcome to Gunji Ashok. Okay, welcome to Gunji Ashok. I got the response also. I am taking one more class. com.app.exception. I am taking app exception. App exception. Finish. I'm stopping the server here. Here I'm taking public string. Actually, first I am removing this one. Suppose here I am string s1 is equal null. String s1 is equal null s1 dot length method semicolon. Okay. And now I am running. Okay. String s1 is equal null dot length method. We will get null pointer exception. I am running it here. Run as Spring Boot application. I will try now. Okay. Actually here we got here null pointer exception. Here java.lang null pointer exception cannot invoke string length method because s1 is null. After status code is 500. After seeing this message, end user will understand anything. He will not understand anything because of he don't know about Java. He don't know about the status code. He don't know about null pointer exception. He will get shock and surprise. Okay, for sending user message, your friendly message purpose we can use at the exception handler and at the REST controller advice annotation. We should handle this exception. Okay, we should handle this exception. If the end user see this message, he will not understand anything. He will get shock and surprise. For handling this exception, public I am taking here public string null error return null error occurred by app exception class. Okay, null error occurred by app exception class. We here exception handler of null pointer exception dot class. Okay, null pointer exception dot class null error occurred by app exception class. Okay, I am by using Spring Boot dev tools when we are making any changes, server automatically restarted. Okay, I am refresh again. It is not a handle. Okay, it is not handle because of at the rate of exception handler handle specific this class only. In this class level any null point exception occurred, it will return this message. Okay, in this class level any null point exception occurred, this message will be returned. But here null point exception occurred in which class? Welcome controller class. In welcome controller class null point exception occurred. Suppose if I write here the rate of REST controller and advice annotation. REST controller advice annotation. Okay. At the rate of this is here I am writing REST controller annotation. By seeing the REST controller annotation, we can tell this is a distributed application. For distributed application purpose, we can use REST controller advice annotation. It will handle in this total project. In this total project, any null point exception is occurred, this message will return. Okay. Now we will get user friendly message. I'm refreshed. Null error occurred by app exception class. Okay, null error occurred by app exception class. Suppose this message I copy, I paste here. Okay, null error occurred by what is this class name? Welcome controller class. I'm writing here welcome controller class. Okay, null error occurred by welcome control class. Now we will get this message or this message. Here also null pointer exception is handled. In this class also null pointer exception is handled. Which message we will get here? In this both classes null pointer exception is handled. We will get this class message null error occurred by welcome controller class because of in this class null pointer exception is occurred. First it looks into in this class. First it looks into in this class null error occur null pointer exception is handled or not handled. Then it will return this message. Okay. Previously which message null error occurred by app exception class. Now we will get null error occurred by welcome controller class. Null error occurred by welcome controller class. Okay. Suppose I am not writing here this one. Copy here. I am pasting here exception dot class. Exception dot class here. Exception I am writing here. Exception occurred by app exception class. Method name I am writing here. Exception occurred. Okay, exception occurred by app exception class. Actually, here in this class I did not handle. Here rest controller advanced annotation is there. Because of this annotation in total level null pointer exception handled in this class it will take care of 5. But here null pointer exception is there and exception is there. Exception means all exceptions it will handle. Exception if I write exception dot class means it will handle all the exceptions. Okay. It will handle all the exceptions. But in the class null pointer exception occurred. Here also null pointer exception is occurred. Actually it looks into the specific exception is occurred or not. Here specific exception is occurred. Then we will it will return this message. Other than any null pointer exception message purpose it will return. Okay. Now we will get this message. Null error occurred by app exception class. Okay. Null error occurred by app exception class. I hope you got the clarity. Here same. I am copy. Paste. Here welcome control class. Null error occurred by welcome control class. Here I am doing copy here. I am removing app exception. Okay. Here also in this class null pointer exception handled and for all remaining actions also it will handled. First it looks into the specific exception is handled or not handled. That's why we will get this message. Null error occurred by welcome controller class. We will get this message. Null error occurred by welcome controller class. Okay, I hope you got the clarity. First it looks into the same class. In the same class specific exception is occurred or not. If it is occurred, first it looks into the this message. If it is not handled, exception means it will handle all the exceptions. Suppose here I am removing control S. First here also here specific exception is occurred. Here also for all type of exception occurred. We will see what message which message we will get here. Exception occurred by welcome control class. Exception occurred by welcome controller class. First it looks into the same class. In the same class handle or not. If it is handle it looks into the global level. Global level which message is occurred. Actually here specific exception is occurred. First it looks into the priority specific exception. As a very common type of exception is handled. That's why you will get this message. I hope you got the clarity. Okay. I will see you the another example also. I am taking one more class. I am taking one more class. Here com.app error package, and I am taking class name my error. Here I am taking, actually before going to moving into that, suppose here also there are REST controller. REST controller advice annotation is there. If here also REST controller advice annotation is there. Here also REST controller annotation is there. First it looks into the specific exception. Later it looks into the this exception. I hope you got the clarity. Here I am writing at the REST controller advice annotation. Here also at the REST controller advice annotation is there. Here I am taking my error. Okay. At the rate of REST controller. Here also I am taking at the rate of request mapping slash error. Okay, public string welcome string s1 is equal to Gunji Ashok Java semicolon return s1 semicolon. I am taking here get mapping slash welcome. Okay. Yeah, what is the URL mapping here? Error and here welcome. Where and welcome. Gunji Ashok Java. We got the response. Suppose here I am writing null here. I will write string s1 is equal null. Okay. S1 dot length method. Okay, S1 dot length method. Here I got null point exception. Actually, here I got null point exception, but here also global level handling message is there. Here also global level message exception is there. But which message we got here? Null error occurred by welcome controller class. Okay, null error occurred by welcome controller class. We got this message. We got this message because of actually here it will scan the packages. First it will scan the base package and its sub packages. According to it will scan the sub packages com.alphabet character C. Later exception this one is there. First it will scan this one. In this global level it will handle. In that also it will handle specific exception. That's why null error occurred by welcome controller class. Okay, null error occurred by welcome controller class. First it is scan the base package and its sub package as according to alphabetical order. Package in first is C, that's com.app.c welcome controller. Okay, here also global level action error is there. Here also global level error is there. According to base package purpose, it will first it will return this message. Like that it will handle exception. I hope you got the clarity. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you, I hope you got the clarity. Any other classes, any error is occurred, it will return the message according to the base packages. Okay, I hope you got the clarity. At the rate of exception handler annotation, at the rate of REST advice annotation. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.